Hi y'all, Kendall Carpenter, Bunnyfoot Pottery in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I'm in my craft room today, snowy day in Tulsa, and I finally got up the nerve to unbox my 3D printer that I gave myself for Christmas. And you're never too old to do something new. Took me about an hour and a half, but I put this 3D printer together and I made a little boat. Success. And then I made a little kitty cat cutter that I'm going to try really quickly. I have another cutter printing right now, fingers crossed. It is going to be a sunflower. So hopefully that'll get done and I can try that out. So I've got a little ball of clay, got a rolling pin, and I'll be right back with you after I've rolled this stuff out. Okay, I have got about a 1/4 inch slab rolled out, and I am going to just put this little kitty cat down here and see how she does. I've been so nervous about this 3D printer, and Angela's been encouraging me, and Laurie's at Wandering Souls has been encouraging me. So let's see if I can push this out. Okay, I'm back for a second. I finished trimming the edge of this little kitty cat, and I put it back in the mold, and I'm just going to experiment with this silicone and see if I press down, if I can get those origami lines to show up. Come out, little tail. Yeah, that worked. That worked. So what I might do is put some white on globe in a little needle nose bottle and fill in those lines. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm still waiting on my sunflower cutter. It's about 2/3 of the way done, and then I'll be back. All right, I'm back again. And this is the second cutter that I've been able to send directly to my 3D printer. And it is a sunflower cutter. It came out beautifully, and let's see how it does in the clay. Here we go. All right, take two. I'm back with a fresher piece of clay with plastic on it, and I'm going to try my sunflower again. Oh, look at that. That would make a cute little ornament, but I will probably attach that to a mug. I'm really, really had no expectation of actually having successes today. Why was I so nervous? Why was I so nervous about this 3D printer? I know other people have been using them and using them successfully, but I was just doubting myself. And while I was waiting for that to finish, I used one of my new Temu haul things, rolled it into a little piece of clay, and I'm going to make a little trinket dish. I'm just having fun. I'm just having fun today on a snowy day in Tulsa. And I hope you all are having a fun day too. Talk to you soon.